Well, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily update. And today I will tell you what's the real reason behind this pump, this Sylvester pump. We will check this, what's going on, guys. So let's go. Before I tell you this, guys, let's start with CoinMarketCap. You can see Bitcoin is going up a little bit. We are again under 48,000, but we have a plus about 1.44%. In 7 days, it's going down 6.4%. Not so good. Ethereum is going up a little bit more, 2%, but it's going down a little bit more in 7 days, 7.8%. The Binance coin is going up also a little bit. Solana is going up also a little bit. And you can see, guys, the most coins, if you are watching, they are going up. The most coins here are in green. There's no coin here in the top 10 in red. Here, Tron is going down a little bit, okay? But the most coins are going up. But the most coins are also going down in the week. You can see the most coins are here in red in the week, okay? Some coins are going up. Algorand is going up here with 13.5%, okay? But the most coins are in the weekly red. So let's check what's going on with Bitcoin and what is the biggest winner in this 24 hours. Biggest winner is Celsius, R-Wave, place number 2, and Aave is going up also. The biggest loser, IOTA. IOTA is going down 4%. Icon is going down 2.5%, and Ziliqua is going up also. The biggest winner in 7 days, Sushi. Oasis Network, place number 2, and Gnosis, place number 3. These coins are moving in the moment. These are the top 3. And the biggest loser, Holo is going down, Avalanche is going down, and Icon is also going down. These are the biggest losers here in 7 days. The Bitcoin dominance is on 40.3% in the plus, and Ethereum dominance 20.1%. We are back over the 40%. Really nice. So let's check what's going on. What's going on with this one? And this was my pattern from yesterday. I will show you this soon, but now let's check the Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, this one here. And now we can see here what's going on. This is the 50-minute chart, and you can see here the support line is holding. We saw bad spikes to the downside, but it is holding again. We are back again over 40%. Let's watch the 4 hour. This is more important for the moment. What can we see? This downtrend. And now, guys, we will see really soon. I think we will see this maybe start of 2022. The new Bitcoin pump to the upside. It's better to trade Bitcoin if we will fight against this downtrend, or maybe we will lose it again, the support, and then it is better to trade altcoins. You know it, guys. If the dominance is going down, it's better to trade altcoins. For the moment, it's going up a little bit. So for the moment, it's a good time maybe to trade Bitcoin. Here is the Bitcoin price prediction. And this is really interesting, guys, before we watch this. Let's check the Fear and Greed Index, 28 points fear in the market. Better as yesterday. Yesterday, 22 points, but now 28 points. Now, look at this, the price prediction, guys. And it's really amazing, guys. If anyone can tell me what's going on this on January the 2nd, look at this. We will see, this prediction is telling us, we will see a pump up to 60,000. January the 2nd to January the 3rd. What's going on this day? If you know it, please write it in the comments. It would be really awesome to read this, because I don't know what's going on these days. January the 2nd, 2022, or this is about in 2 days, guys. So we will see a pump. I hope so. So yes, we have fear in the market. We can see it here on the downside. We have a bearish sentiment that is also the same thing we can see, and you can see here on this side. On January the 3rd, we will hit 60,000. Okay, this is telling us CoinCodex, but let's check. The bad stuff is, guys, we are still bearish. You can see it, 38% bullish and 62% bearish. And that's the summary of all these SMAs, EMAs, and this stuff. So this stuff is telling us, oh, we are bearish, we will go down. Let's watch this, the support levels, and keep this in your mind. 46,200, 45,200, and 44,400. These are the supports if we are going down more and more. Resistance to the upside, 48,000, big resistance, 48,800, and the biggest resistance for the moment is 49,800. We need to fight back 50,000, that's for sure, okay? Keep this stuff in your mind, guys. If you're trading, these are really important support and resistance levels. What is telling us the prediction? And you can see, yes, in the next 3 days, we will see a pump about 17%. Here we can see 56,500, 18%. And here on the prediction, we will see a nice pump up to 60,000 and then a little bit down again. So, okay, let's move on. No, I will not show you more for the moment. Maybe I will make tomorrow a forecast for January, but for the moment, we will have to check the day, what's going on with Bitcoin on the daily. Let's move on. So here we are, and this is investing.com, and this is the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, that's the nice stuff, guys. We saw still, and remember this, a doji star, a bullish reversal from this downgoing price. Maybe we will go up here from here, and the same stuff is a bullish harami. Both of these are really, really bullish, and we need to keep this also in our mind because that's the weekly time frame, and the candlestick patterns in the weekly time frame are really, really important. On the daily, remember this, we saw a doji star, a bearish reversal, and what happened? Yes, we went down. So we need some bullish signs here on the daily. For the moment, we have no bullish signs here. Maybe yes, this is a double bottom, but it does, if you're watching as the patterns, on the patterns, it's not a pattern here. For 5-hour time frame is this one, and on the 5-hour, we saw this one. A gravestone doji. I think it's really amazing, guys. It's a long time ago I saw this one. A gravestone doji, bearish reversal with a medium reliability. And you can see these long wicks to the upside are for the most times bearish signs, but now we are going up. So the 5-hour time frame is not so important as the daily or the weekly, but yes, it is here the gravestone doji. So okay, but now guys, let's move on. This was the picture from my last video, and I was here in love with this W pattern. I hoped for a breakout with this W pattern to the upside, 52,000, but what happened? It was really bad. We went down. We lost our parallel channel to the upside, and we made a new lower low, and that's a big problem. For the moment, we made a new higher high. Okay, that's a 50-minute chart, but yes, we made here to the downside a lower low. We lost this parallel channel or this wedge or triangle, what else here to the side, and yes, we went down. So we can make one thing. We can use this point here, and we can make a new Fibonacci. And now what can we see? What is the next big thing if you're watching this one? First of all, yes, it's the 50-minute chart. Let's remove the W pattern, and we can use this line. Why? You can see this line is really, really important because it's back again, the support. It was a resistance here. We broke it to the upside, and we are now retesting this line. And that's really amazing. We need now this line to hold as a support and to break out from here. This would be awesome, and this would be the next step into 60,000. Okay, that's the next thing. Now guys, let's move on. What can we see here? A lot of signs here. We need to remove these signs, and we need the 1-hour time frame. That's more important in my opinion as the 15-minute time frame. So let me watch one thing. Okay guys, let me show you this one. Inverse, shoulder, head, shoulder on the 50-minute time frame. Yes or no? Please write in the chat. What do you think? Please write it, give me a comment. Is this a possible inverse shoulder, head, shoulder? If it is, we saw a breakout over this trend line and a retesting now. This would be awesome. So we can make this line and put it on the breakout zone to this point. And then we are moving on and zooming out here. And what can we see? This would be the first next target, 50,000. 50,000 would be the next target to the upside. Our prediction is telling us we are going up a little bit to 48,600, maybe tomorrow, a little down again, and then a nice pump to the upside. Okay, maybe we can hit 50,000. This would be nice. This would be the next target for this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. So now, guys, let's go on. Let's zoom out back in the 1-hour time frame. Yes, we can see here also this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. It's a possible pattern. And now let's check the RSI, Relative Strength Index. And here it is on the downside. What can we see? We are on 57 points, not overbought, not oversold. We can make a line, and you know it, guys. I love it. The RSI is a really, really important stuff. And here is the support line for the RSI. As long as we hold this line, everything is fine. If we will lose this line, we have a problem, guys. So the next thing is what's going on with the moving average. Here we are. For the moment, on the 1-hour time frame, it's bullish. You can see blue line over the brown line. And yes, we are buying green candles, not dark green. They are going down a little bit, but we are here still bullish. On the 4-hour, MACD is also bullish. Blue line is over the brown line. We are buying green candles. Yes, fine. And if you're watching the RSI, you can see we are going up. We are in the middle here on 50 points here. Everything is okay. And we can also make a line here from the highest point down to this point. And you can see, yes, we have some space here to the upside. We have some space. It's possible to make a little leg to the upside, and we need to break this resistance, guys. That's really, really important now. MACD on the downside, I told you everything is fine, it's bullish. RSI, we need to break this green line to the upside, and that would help you to break out of this inverse shoulder head shoulder pattern. What can we see here? We have a sideways going channel. Yes, it's red or it's green. It's perfectly going sideways, so I will make it green. I'm more bullish as bearish, and now it's a green channel. It's looking better, but it's a sideways going channel, and you can see, guys, yes, we do not hit the bottom here again, but we are still in this sideways going channel, and we are trying for the moment to fight back this uptrend channel. So let me show you the next thing. You can see this stuff here is really important. This is the middle line. This is the fight for the moment, and the middle line is the middle line of the parallel channel, and that's why we are fighting here for the moment. So we need to fight back this middle line. That's really, really important. Okay, let's move on here. We are in the 4-hour time frame, still in the 4-hour time frame. Let me check the next stuff. This is the 1-day time frame, the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, we can see we are still bullish. The MACD blue line is over the brown line. We are still bullish. Yes, we are not building dark green candles, but we are building green candles. That's good. And we are still here with the blue line over the brown line. Nice. RSI, what is telling us this one? And we can make also here a line. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Not like this, better like this one. Highest point and to the downside, what can we see? This was the spike to the upside. And we can see, guys, it was a really nice breakout of the RSI and a really nice retest of this trend line. You can see it here. We retested this trend line and we spiked up again. So this is bullish. In my opinion, this is bullish. Breaking the resistance and retesting the resistance is always a bullish sign. So if we're zooming out a little bit more, what can we see? These nice drawings here on the upside. What is this? And the next stuff is, what is the next target to the upside? First of all, this drawings here is maybe a shoulder head shoulder in the future, but for the moment it's not playing out. I will remove it, guys. It's not so important for the moment. It's a bigger picture, maybe on the next months, maybe until summer. We will see this. It's possible to see a breakout to the downside again, 30,000. Why not? It is the biggest resistance. I will keep this line here as a big support, not resistance, support. Really important, 30,000, 29,000, really, really big support. Okay, now, before we end this video, it's too long for the day, 12 minutes. Sorry about this, guys. We are here, and that's now important. On the daily time frame, we can make a new parallel channel over this point here to the upside. This point to the upside to this point. What can we see? Yes, a nice parallel channel to the upside, and we can see a blue middle line. And what is the next big stuff we need to watch? What is this? Here it is, this point. This is 60,000, and this is the point we may reach on January the 3rd. I'm really interested if this will happen. If we can reach this target, 60,000 here to the upside, it's the middle line of the parallel channel. So this would be really nice, but we need to watch, guys. We need to watch, guys, if we can reach up this target. So now I will tell you what's the big thing, why we saw a big pump here on the last day of the year. Let me check. So the real reason, because of this bump here, the reason behind the pump, some traders, I will read it for you guys, some traders have assumed that the sudden buying power on the market appeared due to the technical recovery that was long awaited by an extremely oversold market. No, it was not that thing, but the real cause, and now it comes, lies in the December options expiry with a max pain price below 47,000 US dollar. After the expiry, the next options contracts become the market's main tool for hedging positions or betting on the next Bitcoin price in the specified period. So this news here are telling us the real reason behind the pump was this really interesting expiry of the options. Guys, that's the big stuff of this pump. So let's see what's going on for January. I will make a nice January update. I will make a January forecast for Bitcoin tomorrow. I wish you guys, I wish you a really nice new year. I hope just the best for you guys. I wish you will make millions with your trades next year. And I wish you will donate millions to me. And I hope we can visit together Dubai and Miami with our private jets, and we will drink beer and wine, guys. Guys, best of luck. A lot of health, that's really important, and I hope we can see us next year on our private island in Sunshine Island. I don't know. Guys, have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.